Okay, it's one of those videos where I get super excited because I just got a brand new mystery box from MSI. Well, how do I know? You can see MSI logo everywhere on the box, and damn, MSI, what did you guys send me? This package is so heavy. I guess this video is going to be hell lot of fun. Let's get started. Hey guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. So as I've told you just now guys, we've got a brand new mystery box to check out in this video and it's going to be super fun. So this one is from MSI and I have like no clue what's inside this package. And this one directly came from Taiwan. You've got the label over here and everything. So I'm like pretty curious to unbox and check out like what could have MSI sent me today. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. By the way, there is nothing written on the package guys, just the MSI stickering everywhere. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing and show you what's inside this package. All right, so finally, moment of truth. Let's see what do we have. Oh, you guys seen this? This looks like a complete GPU package. MSI has sent us a huge GPU box, guys. And this one is their brand new model graphic card. Are there two or three? Let me just take them out and show you. Man, these are heavy. So these are the brand new top tier, flagship level graphic cards from MSI. These guys have just launched it like a couple of days ago, like maybe 3 or 4 days ago. And I already got them in my hand. That is crazy. So that's it. We've got like two GPUs in the box, guys. Most probably 3080 and 3090. Let me show you. So yeah, here you go. 3080 RTX 3080 and RTX 3090 in the action. The MSI Supreme X model, guys. By the way, how is it pronounced? MSI Supreme or Supreme? There's no E after M, so I'm not sure about that. I'm gonna stick with Supreme because that sounds pretty cool. So yeah, Supreme X in the action. Packaging looks very nice. It's got this nice white theme with green accents everywhere. Pretty nice looking. And also I have to tell you, these are like flagship level graphic cards, guys, and monster level performance. So which one should we first start with? Let's start off with this bigger brother, the RTX 3090, guys, the big ferocious GPU from MSI. So this is how the box packaging looks like. It's got this very nice box packaging, says the Supreme X over here, and you can see a picture of the graphic card on the front, has the MSI logo as well. See guys, as I've told you just now, this is the premium and the flagship level GPU from the brand. This is above the Gaming X Trio model. So yeah, that is pretty much it. There is nothing else over here. So let's just unbox it and directly check out what do we have in the package. So as soon as you open it, we've got the Supreme logo. Okay, it just says Supreme. There is no X over here. And at the top side looks like we've got a note regarding the product details and everything about the GPU. Now we don't have the time to read all this thing. You can just pause the video and read that. It describes about the thermal design, the new Tox Fan 4.0 and all that stuff. Anyways, keeping that aside, okay, so looks like MSI is also giving you a free mouse pad in the package. Here you go. Supreme X. Okay, there's no X on this. It's just a Supreme graphic card branding. Nice. Hey guys, it's Vimal here and welcome back to my channel. Alright guys, so here is our brand new GPU from MSI. Let me just take it out of the box. Oh, what is this? Are you guys looking at the size of this thing? That is madness. Let me just take it out of this cover. Nvidia didn't name this just like that, guys, the big ferocious GPU. Just look at the size of this thing. Oh my god. It's so thick and so heavy. I think this is the most heaviest and the most thickest GPU I've seen so far. Very premium and very mighty. Nice. We'll just get back to this GPU in a moment. Keeping this aside, we've got some other stuff as well. What is this? Looks like there is a rod. Okay, so I finally figured it out. This looks like a GPU stand, guys, basically a GPU holder so that the graphic card won't bend and sag over time. That is what it does. So it's got a very unique design. There's a foot over here where you need to insert the rod like this. And on top of that, you need to fix this, just like this. So it holds the GPU in its place. It works something like this. We're going to put this to an action and then I'll be showing you how it works later. Keeping these aside, let me finally show you the Supreme X graphic card. Holy moly. Now that is a beauty. It's a triple fan GPU, guys, and I have to tell you, the design looks very beautiful. I have to say, this is one of the most premium RTX 3090 I guess I've seen so far. Why? Because just like look at the finishing. It's got a complete two-tone finish, and if you can observe, it's got this light shades of metal and gray over here. Looks like the central part is completely made of metal. Yes, this is metal, and this looks like polycarbonate. So it's got triple fan design and the complete thermal design. They're naming it as Trifuser 2S thermal design. And if you talk about the fans on it are also special. They're called the Tox Fan 4.0. And if you can observe, the design is pretty unique. The fan blades are like joint, two fans are joint over here. So that will increase the pressure. I can't wait to put this thing to an action. And going to the side, there's nothing over here. Oh, have you observed this? The MSI logo at the center is elevated actually. That's not just a simple sticker. I think MSI has given a lot of detail on this product. And going to the top side, you've got the Supreme. Okay, looks like there is no Supreme X over here. I don't know why they dropped it over here. Anyway, Supreme logo, GeForce RTX, and you see this whole RGB thing. This is the RGB light bar, guys, which you can completely customize using MSI's Mystic lighting software. And oh, this one is nice. It's got three 8-pin ports, guys. So you need to give three 8-pin power connectors from your power supply. And usually, guys, a 3090 requires at least of having 850 watt power supply. That is what MSI is recommending for this card. And if you can observe, there's a tiny switch at the top side over here. It's the dual BIOS switch that lets you switch between silent and gaming profile. And by default, looks like the switch is set to the gaming mode. And are you looking at this beautiful backplate? It's a complete metal backplate and has a two-tone brushed aluminum finish. Love that finishing over here. Says Supreme over here. And this MSI logo also looks pretty good. It's got this nice crystalline kind of premium look and feel. And that thing also glows in RGB. Pretty nice. So that's it over here, guys. And from here, you can check out the massive block of aluminum heatsink. Wow, custom PCB, custom thermal solution, custom power solution. Can't wait to put this thing in my PC and check out the performance. Awesome. So that was our first look at MSI Supreme X RTX 3090. I'll just quickly keep this aside and then we'll also have a look at the 3080. And just for a size comparison, guys, I don't know if you know how big this thing is. I'm going to just put it side by side to my Zotac RTX 3070. So you'll get to know how huge the difference is in terms of size. Just check out the size difference, guys. This is the compact RTX 3070 from Zotac, and this is the Supreme X RTX 3090. Holy moly! Even the thickness. This looks like a tiny baby in front of this. Madness. Again, both are made for different purposes, guys. That one is like made for small and compact cases, and this one is made for a mean machine. And in case if you're buying this, make sure that your case is like huge, because this is not going to fit in your normal mid-tower or even ITX cases. So keep that thing in mind. So here's the second GPU we got, the RTX 3080 Supreme X from MSI. Comes in a very similar box packaging, so let's directly open it and check it out. The usual Supreme X logo over here. We've got the same leaflet at the top. Another Supreme Mousepad as well. One more leaflet. We're not gonna see that again this time. And finally, here you go, the Supreme X RTX 3080 from MSI. And for this also, you got the same GPU stand, guys. So yeah, let me just take the GPU out. Now again, guys, I'm not gonna explain all the specs and Ampere architecture and all that stuff, because see, we've already seen like plenty of videos using this 3000 series card, so I don't want to repeat all of that again. Just if you talk about the specs, see, RTX 3080 comes with like 10 gigs of VRAM, and that previous big ferocious RTX 3090 comes with 24 gigs of GDDR6X VRAM, guys. Super fast memory, 19 Gbps speed. Madness. Yeah, anyways, let me just take this cover out and show you the GPU. Ta-ta-da! The Supreme X RTX 3080 from MSI. My god, these things are so beautiful. you'll instantly fall in love with these GPUs. I'm holding the 3080 and 3090, both of them in my hand. Wait a second, I totally forgot to show you the available connectivity ports on these GPUs. As you can see, the Supreme X GPUs from MSI only have 4 ports at the backside. On both the RTX 3080 and 3090, you've got like 3 display ports and 1 HDMI. Like, why MSI? I thought these were like the top tier flagship level GPUs from the brand, so I was expecting like having more ports on them. But anyways, this is what MSI is offering. Well guys, this is what we got in today's mystery box from MSI. They've sent us their brand new RTX 3080 and 3090 from the Supreme X series, and I have to tell you, these are one of the thickest and most heaviest GPUs in the RTX 30 series I've seen so far, and I can't wait to put these things to a test and see how these things perform in the real world. So guys, I'm gonna end the video here only right now. I'll be going out there and I'll build a test bench with this and check out how these things perform. And also let me know if you guys want to see a Supreme PC build using these GPUs, and I'll definitely do that. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see such more awesome videos, and I'll see you all in my next one.